Learn the secrets of success from this elite group of high-volume originators in the Centurion Roundtable interviews. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
Progress is not possible without change, and PRMG is devoted to providing our wholesale partners across the nation with the best combination of products, pricing, technology, and service. Get approved with PRMG today.
Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. You're watching the Centurion Roundtable interviews sponsored by our friends over at PRMG. We're meeting with top originators from around the country who utilize technology, an excellent support staff, and the best vendors and investors to put more borrowers in homes. Today we're meeting with Mike Smith, who's the president of Universal Home Lending out of Deerfield Beach, Florida. Mike, thank you for taking the time out of your day to meet with us.
Thank you for having me.
Listen, I want to ask you, what do you love about the business? You've been in the business for a good number of years. Tell us what you love about the business.
Well, what I love about the business is the relationship between you and the client, the ability to make people happy, to give them their dream when they're closing on that house and moving their family in. That's the biggest part I love about our job.
So tell me a little bit more about what do you love about actually that satisfaction that you get when you're helping your borrowers out? Talk a little bit about that.
Well, the satisfaction is taking a family that's been renting for years. Their dream is to own a home. Watching them sign those papers at the closing, and a smile go from ear to ear, and their dreams coming true to own their own home and grow their family.
That's great. It's got to be a great feeling, give me an idea of the services that you provide, what you do. What's something that you're doing in your marketplace that you just see that others aren't or just can't?
Well, the services that we provide here are more personal. We like to see our clients face to face if possible. If they're in the driving area, we'd like to drive and see them. Put a name to a face type of thing. With computers nowadays, it's kind of hard for businesses to do that. So we still like to keep a personal relationship by letting them know who we are and make them feel comfortable with this process, because it is, a very big step that they're trying to take.
Yep, there's no question about it. It's a big decision, and in many cases, if it's the first time doing it, it's a scary process. It's definitely a scary process. Do you use a lot of technology in addition to the high touch that you provide?
We use the normal technology, the e-sign and stuff like that. But I think as technology is advancing, we're getting away from that personal relationship that we have with our customers. And I think it's still important for every business to somehow, get a hold of that and don't let that slip.
Great. But so listen, tell me, I know actually, you rely a lot on your partners, so your vendors, your investors, and I'm sure actually some of them are also providing some technology tools to allow you to do that. Talk a little bit about that relationship, about your partnership with your investors and vendors to put more borrowers in homes.
Well, I mean, it's important for our vendors, and investors to give us the products that we can give to our customers. Each customer has a different situation, a different story. So it's very important for those vendors to give us the tools that we need in order to offer that to the borrowers out there, and to, like I said before, just to make their dream come true.
So, Mike, talk a little bit about your partnership that you have with the vendors and the investors and the lenders that you work with. I know you're using some of their technology to help put more borrowers in homes. Talk a little bit about that relationship.
Well, a relationship with the vendors is very important to us because they give us the tools that we need to, make our customers happy and to do what we have to do on our side. For instance, PRMG is one of our main, probably top vendors that we use. Their service is just is off the charts. I mean, I can call them at 8 o'clock at night or email them. The borrower could be freaking out. Maybe they have a problem or an issue, and they'll give me an answer right away. And if it's not the right answer, they will go above and beyond to do what they can to make sure that customer gets taken care of. Technology is definitely one of the key things nowadays because we are in a technical world. Their service and their technology is also pretty good. Gives us the ability to upload stuff and email stuff as quick as possible.
Fantastic. So tell me, Mike, what excites you about the future of this business?
Oh, well, what excites me is I guess the unknown. We never know what's going to happen. Uh, Hopefully, it's headed the direction to help the borrower and the individual accomplish their dreams. That's really at the end of the day what we're all here to do.
Fantastic. Mike, what's the best way for people to get a hold of you?
Best way to get a hold of me is my website. It's uhlcorp.com, or you can always give us a call at 954-771-5041.
Wonderful. Mike, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to meet with us.
Thank you for having me.
And I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
In today's wholesale environment, providing our broker community with the best combination of product, pricing, and fulfillment is paramount to their success. With a strong net worth and delivery of high-quality performing loans to the secondary market, it is no secret why many brokers choose PRMG as their wholesale partners. PRMG. We strive to be better in all that we do. Get approved with PRMG today.
This is Mortgage News Network.